Hi, I'm Jerry with Rol Air Plumbing Heating. Are you a homeowner that needs help with the regular maintenance in their home? Well, you're in luck. I got some videos for you. We're going to go over things like changing the furnace filter, checking your sump basket and float, turning off water lines and gas valves. Let's get started. So today we're going to be talking about how to clear your P-trap underneath the sink. Now, most of the time, if you have a laundry sink like this, kitchen sink, they're all going to have a P-trap style like this where it's just compression fittings here. So say someone is doing the dishes in the kitchen sink, wedding ring falls down there, something to the fact that you want to get that out really quickly. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn off the water so that no more water is going through there. If it gets dirty, maybe you got straws that went down the sink in any situation. So the first thing you want to do is grab a bucket that's kind of shorter because we're going to need to be able to fit underneath the P-trap. So you're going to put it underneath here. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to have the pipe come down and you're just going to loosen this up. These are just hand tight, so you shouldn't need any tools or anything like that. The second one is going to be behind the P-trap. You're going to want to open this up. Now you're going to see some water come out, and that's why we have the bucket. Make sure we don't make a mess. So as you're unscrewing this, you're going to want to grab the P-trap because it will fall eventually. Once it does, dump it onto the bucket, clear out whatever you need to clear out, or grab that wedding ring you fell and you dropped down the sink. To put it back on, we're just going to make sure that we have it up in the pipe. You're going to want to start with the one that's on the back. Get it about hand tight, and then do the one over here. Make sure they're nice and tight. You don't need to grab a wrench, just hand tight is okay. Once you have that done and it is on, you're going to want to turn on the water itself to make sure that you don't have any leaks or anything like that. Have a nice day.